I am Parth, data scientist. Hello, little champs, uncles, aunties, daddies, and dadajis. Today, learn Python and get booster dose of knowledge of fast developing field which you will encounter in your daily life. So, my punchline is age is just a number. No technical knowledge, no basic science, only know ABCD and get into the world of data science. I've been studying it since I was in class 4th. So let us start. In this video, I'll tell you all how to learn Python for data science. Learn the topics related to data science. Guys, Python is a multi-purpose language. It is used for game development, web development, software development, AI, data science, and many more fields. So you need to only learn those topics which are related to data science like pandas, numpy, scikit-learn, tensorflow, scipy, keras, seaborn. You cannot be a wizard of Python in 2 months. Guys, learning any programming language requires experience. You cannot become master of Python in just 2 or 3 months. Don't cram codes. Understand the logic behind the code. Guys, any program that you make, you don't need to cram it. You like history and geography. You just need to understand the logic behind the code, the logic behind the program you are doing. I code every day. Practice exercises related to the topic you are. As you will do exercises related to the topic you are studying, you'll start remembering all the syntaxes and programs, etc. Learn the applications of the topic you are studying. Guys, if you know the applications of whatever you are studying, it becomes easy to remember the concept. So please learn the applications of the topic. Revision of important concepts every day. Just give a glance on the important concepts, syntaxes, logical programs, and so on every day. This will help you remember the codes. Guys, personally, I follow this technique. You just need to um, read the syntaxes, basic syntaxes, and if you do some project which involves lot of concepts and you learn a lot of things from that program, you just need to read it every day to understand it and it will fit in your mind easily. Guys, Google is your friend. Never hesitate to ask Google anything. Guys, I also sometimes forget basic syntaxes. So you can ask Google anytime. And if you face any problem, you should ask Google. While learning Python, side by side learn statistics and ML concepts. Data science projects involve machine learning and statistical concepts. Guys, as we'll do Python, as we'll do projects, those projects will be related to data science. They will involve machine learning and statistics. So if you don't know statistics and machine learning, you'll not understand the project at all. It will just be like a code written in your screen and you'll not understand it. So learn statistics and ML concepts side by side while learning Python. Age is just a number. Guys, I started learning programming at the age of 9 and my father started at the age of 56. So guys, there is no age of learning programming. If you know ABCD, that's enough to learn programming or data science. Roadmap to Python. So guys, I have made a roadmap by which I'll teach you all Python. Guys, as we'll cover, uh, as I teach you any topic, I'll also give you exercises related to that topic. So first we have an introduction to Python. In this, I'll tell you what is Python, what are its applications, why are we learning it for data science, installing Jupyter Notebook, Anaconda, so on. Python basics. In this, you'll create your first program. I'll also teach you expressions, variables, and some string operations. Python data structures. In this, we'll learn all the data structures of Python. like list, tuple, sets, and dictionaries. Python programming fundamentals. In this, I'll teach you all conditional statements, control statements, functions, object-oriented programming, OOPS concept. Guys, this topic is very much important. It is also it is used in advanced concepts also. As we'll solve projects, you'll come to know. In this, we'll study what is object-oriented programming, paradigms of object-oriented programming, like encapsulation, inheritance, polymorphism, abstraction, classes, objects, etc. File handling and exceptional handling. In file handling, we'll see how to read files, write files, delete files. Exception handling, we'll see how to handle exceptions, what are exceptions, and how are they useful, exception handling. Then NumPy. In NumPy, we'll see what is NumPy, what are its applications. We'll see ND array object, one-dimensional array, two-dimensional array, and so on. Data manipulation with pandas. Guys, in this, we'll see what is data manipulation, how are pandas useful for data manipulation, series, data frame, and many more things we'll learn in this. Data visualization. We'll see how data visualization is useful. What are the libraries which are used, like Matplotlib, Seaborn, we'll study them, create some plots, and so on. Statistics, maths with SciPy. Guys, we'll perform statistical and mathematical operations using SciPy and see how they are useful in our projects. Machine learning with scikit-learn, sklearn, and other libraries. Guys, this topic will be very big because we'll perform all the machine learning algorithms using sklearn and other libraries. We'll be solving projects. Guys, in this roadmap which I've created, as we learn, whatever topic we'll learn, I will also tell you its applications in Python, give you exercises related to the topic, because my aim is Pura India Padega Data Science. So stay with me and soon coming up with the next tutorial. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Don't forget to press the bell icon. Thank you.